Hi, you need to see this video, so please do not swipe off. Some months ago I made a video about how you can get the right man for yourself while you are still single and the likes. Some days ago I was trying to share this particular video on Facebook, and I captioned it that single sisters who are seriously searching should make sure that they watch that particular video. Some days later, when I was going through Facebook, I saw this video again, and then I read my caption, and then my attention was drawn to single sisters seriously searching. I was asking myself a question: what are they searching for? Like seriously, can they seriously be searching seriously? Like, can there be anything like seriously searching? Can you actually search? Do you actually need to search for men? Like, seriously? So that was my question, and then I was questioning myself, why did I even caption that video that way, like seriously searching? Is the searching normal? Is there anything like seriously searching? What exactly are you searching for? How long have you been searching? And of all this your search, have you been able to get anything? Have you searched and found? What are you actually searching for? Have you seen anyone who had searched for a man by herself and has found a man? How did the person go about it? Was he successful? These are my questions. And then if you're not able to answer these questions, then I have the answer to the question. This is my point. There is no point in searching for a man when you know someone, when you can actually just go straight to someone who has the heart of all men. If you are going to be searching for anything at all, I think the only thing you'll be searching for is the face of God. If you have searched for the face of God and his face is upon you, he's going to find you a man. He's not someone that is going to search. He's just going to pick the right man for you and give it to you. So sis, instead of seriously searching for a man, why not search for the face of God, and he will settle your case.